How to create TaxAct account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Open your browser, click on the search bar at top of your screen and go to tax website, typing TaxAct account or simply taxact.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will reach on the official interface of TaxAct where you can see create account or sign in at top right. To create account, click on create account link at top right corner of your screen. Now you will simply reach on this create account page where you have to follow the two steps. The first one is simply you need to enter your mobile for security and password recovery, your email address, confirmations of the email, the username, and the password. So let's enter all the credentials. And then you need to know that your username must be at least 6 characters and then it should contain the numbers but not the words. Make sure you avoid the personal information like your name or email. And in the password, you need to add minimum 8 characters, maximum 100 characters are allowed, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, one symbol, and cannot start or end with a space. And after you add the password checkmark, I agree to the terms of service. And then, if you wish to remember this info, you need to checkmark remember this device. Once you have entered all the credentials, click on create account button. After that, the verification process is that you need to complete. You need to check your mobile and enter the code that is saying to your mobile number. Optionally, you can verify the email and Google Authenticator as well and click on Get Started button. And once the verification process will be completed, you simply need to complete your profile. You have to provide your name, address, and set up extra security features like security questions or two-factor authentication. And you need to read and agree to the Tax Act's terms and policies, then complete any final steps related to your tax preferences. You can easily use the credentials in order to access your account. And with that, you will successfully create account on Tax Act. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.